So hello friends, first of all a very thanks for 100 subscribers. Now we are 100. Next we will make a separate episode for this celebration. Now the main topic. When we ride with the headlamp of the bike like my Honda Shine, Glamour, few vital problems are bother us very much. Number 1. Light is not sufficient for night ride, especially at rainy season it become dangerous. Number 2. White LED light is not also acceptable for bike. Number 3. More wattage bulbs may not suit at bike according to the specification of the battery. So there may be only one solution and that is YOLO less wattage LED headlamp. Normally LED lamps are consuming less power and having the less wattage. Yellow color is acceptable at all bike. Last point is that we have to check the amount of light should be more. Then the problem will be solved. I found out a bulb for my bike Honda Shine 2009 model. That is yellow LED headlamp. First, we have to find out the specification of the bulb that may be H4 or others. My bike have H4. I got a bulb of H4 yellow LED headlamp. After fitting normally in bulb holder of my bike, the bulb is not illuminate neither upper or deeper. Only pass switch was worked to illuminate the bulb. But this is not the solution.
জ্যাক লাগিয়েছিস?
করেছিস তো? অন কর। অন কর।
করেছি তো।
করিস, ঠিক আছে। অফ কর, আবার অন কর, অন কর। So I go to the person who are professional in this line, that is automobile wiring technicians. This person is actually done direct 12 volt battery line connection instead of dynamo connection of the bike. না না কেটে হবে না, না কেটে হবে না,
না কাটতে হবে, এটা লাইনটা আউট করতে হবে।
পরে যদি জুড়তে হয়
এই দেখো দূরত্বে কাটবো, এখানে কাটবো।
বাস বাস। আপার লোয়ার হবে তো
সব হবে।
বাস।
আবার লোয়ার সিস্টেম রয়েছে তো হবে না কেন? দিন ল্যাম্পটা দিন দেন, ওখানে আছে।
বেরোচ্ছি, হ্যাঁ যাচ্ছি, বাড়ি যাচ্ছি।
শোনো, বাবার কথায় রাগ করো না, চাবিটা অন করো। জ্বালানো, রেড লাইট জ্বালানো, ডিপার
হুম হচ্ছে,
হচ্ছে, আবার ডিপার
হচ্ছে।
ঠিক আছে তো?
So this is the wiring diagram of the bike, but this is not the exactly same wiring diagram of the Honda Shine, but it is looks like, and which I have learned from the technician that this is headlamp, this is backlight, indicator light, instrument panel, this is battery, this is dynamo, and this is CDI. CDI mean capacitor discharge ignition, and this is the main dynamo, and from dynamo there is two line. This is red and this is yellow. uh, in the red line, dynamo is charging the battery in this way, and by the yellow wire this is going towards the switch of the main headlamp. This is the upper switch and this is the lower switch, and then it is going towards the main headlamp, and from here is the instrument panel. So technician is mainly done that he is cut out this portion, just disconnect with the dynamo, and after that this point is connected directly to the battery connection, and which I have learned from the diagram and the technician is that that was the black wire, and maybe this is this black wire, I am not confirm, and this video is connected like that. This is the battery line, and after that it is, this is the red wire is connected with the CDI, then the black wire. So what is happen actually is that the battery connection is directly going towards this yellow wire, and the battery power is going towards the switch, and after that this power is going towards the headlamp and the light is illuminate. So main object to showing this circuit diagram is that whenever we have done this connection, the charging towards the battery with the dynamo is not disconnected, it is connected directly as it was. Only the headlamp connection with the dynamo is disconnected and it is directly connected towards the battery. And hope you like this video, and next video will coming soon. Until then, tata, bye bye.